my name is Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. In this video, it is the beginning of a new month, which means it's time for Stash Down 2023. That was hosted by Queen's Craft by Bridget. So, I have a few projects here. I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough, a lot for this month, but I have quite a bit for this month. So we're going to start off with, I guess it's more of a swatch than anything. I did a video on how to do the tulip stitch, and that's what this is. Okay, take out my notes. Okay. This little swatch was 6 ounces or 16 grams. So this other little project, I have a tutorial on this. It's a little gift card holder. It is done in the shell stitch. And no, funny story about this project, when I initially wrote this project out, I had at the time an iTouch, which doesn't exist anymore. It's kind of like the iPhone now. So I had actually designed this to initially to cover the iTouch at the time, or that's why it was called the electronic device sock. Actually, I called it the electronic device sock, but after doing it a couple times, I noticed that it's kind of small, but it was perfect to hold a gift card. So now it's been rebranded into this shelled gift card ornament. So this little gift card holder comes in at it's not very much, 0.5 ounces or 13 grams. Okay, so that is it for probably my little projects. The rest of these projects are quite huge. So I have this. This is my boho bag. I do have a tutorial on how to make this bag. However, it does not include, this was a last minute thing, it does not include adding a little pocket on the inside. So pretty much I just make like a little round pocket and just attach it when you do this top layer. But overall, I do have a tutorial. This bag is double duty because every month I'm part of a Facebook group. It's called Sustainable Craft Challenge, and the theme this month was fresh, and I kind of like had to rack my brain, but then I thought, hey, we can go to a farmer's market. It's that time of year. Can carry fresh produce in this bag. Plus now you have a pocket for like your wallet or extra cash. So this bag comes in at 10.5 ounces or 296 grams. So that's that. So anyway, just trying not to digress too much. I did buy the yarn for this on Amazon for the intention of making this bag. It came in like a pack of 6 different light colors, and it worked out perfect for this bag. Okay, I digress. So, I finally also, after I started this project a while back, it is a moss stitch shawl. If you've seen any of my other videos, I refer to this project as my waiting project. I mean, if I was at a doctor's office, or recently my husband had surgery and stuff, that's when I would work on this project. But I had it going for a while, and I just at the last minute decided to get this done. So I got it done. So this shawl comes in at 13.9 ounces or 394 grams. And lastly, I have my temperature blanket for the month of May. No, this is April. Sorry, this is for the month of April. May's will be next month because I got that finished on June 1st. But this is the temperature blanket, the year-long project, and this is the blanket for May. I don't know, I'm getting to the point where I'm not sure if these are going to be eligible because I totally underestimated how much yarn I need for this blanket, and at this point I'm getting to the point where I'm onto yarn that I had to buy this year to complete this project. I know one of the rules is to kind of get like a ball, but so far it's almost working out to a ball per color to finish off this blanket. And I'm worried that, I know we're getting it, we had a string of 80s. It's not on this blanket, you'll see it more on the May's blanket. I'm already on the second one, and for the color for the 80s, and I'm not hoping I need a third. So, but yeah, let me know in the comments that I think I'm getting to the point where like these temperature blankets are pretty much going to be yarn I had to get this year to finish the project. Until we get into the fall and winter months. The winter months have been, once I get in the winter months, I'm probably gonna be end up using yarn I had to buy this year to finish this blanket. And I'm hoping not have to buy a third skein per color. That would not be cool. But yeah, that the temperature blanket is eating up a lot of yarn. So that is it for Stash Down for this month. I don't know, it just seems like feels like I'm just as much gaining more stash than I am trying to get rid of it. But, oh well. I like buying yarn, but we are trying to get rid of, I'll try by the end of the year to try to get rid of the stash I already had for just at the start of the year. So, if you did like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.